Hey y'all, I came to say hello. So listen, I was thinking today, I remember when I used to be in real estate in 2008, I walked into a sales meeting in February of 2008. I had just made right at six figures in 2007. I was super excited. I walked into that sales meeting and I was let go. I couldn't even get a $10 an hour job because they told me that I was overqualified and I was a liability. If you are somebody that's working a job right now, you're frustrated and you're trying to figure out what you can do to create some money, I'm your girl. I have not worked a job since February of 2008. I came online in May 2008 and I have not looked back since. I've made some amazing money and I'm just super excited about what 2021 holds because this year is real personal for me. So if you want some more information, please link with your girl and I thank you for watching.